Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Android Auto not working. So if you're having this issue, I'll show you how easily you can fix it. So first you have to just simply click on to the settings of your mobile phone. Once you have get into the settings, you have to click on more connections or the place where you can find the Android Auto options. Maybe it is different in your mobile phone. Then you just have to simply get to the Android Auto option. Once you get it, click onto it. Now in Start Android Auto automatically option, you have to click onto it and then you have to set it to always. Once you have set it to the always, you have to simply get back. Once you get back, you have to go to the settings. Now in the settings, what you have to do is that you have to look for your app list where you can manage all of the apps that are installed in your mobile phone. So simply get there, and after that, you just have to simply look for Android Auto. You can either search for it, or once you find it, simply click onto it. Once you get into it, first you have to simply force stop it. And once you force stop to it, then you have to go towards permission, and then you have to just simply give permission to it of all the things. Like this one is calendar, then we have the call logs, and after call logs we have the contacts, then we have location. So one by one you have to give access to all of these things. If your mobile phone have different option for the permission, you just have to simply give it permission to every single thing available here. Once you have given it permission to all of these things, now you have to simply get back and then you have to click on storage and cache. Then clear out its cache and also clear out its storage. And after that, the issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Android Auto not working. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.